Welcome students. Yesterday we finished chapter number 1, nutrition in plants. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is nutrition in animals. But before that, just check your answers of yesterday's homework. In previous chapter, we learned that plants can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis, but animals cannot. Animals get their food from plants directly by eating them or indirectly by eating the other animals which eat plants. You all know that the animals that eat plants are known as herbivores. Animals that eat other animals are known as carnivores, and animals that eat both plants and animals are known as omnivores. We know that all organisms, including human beings, require food for growth, repair and functioning of body. Now we are going to start with the nutrition in animals. Animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food and utilization of food in the body. First we will discuss about nutrient requirement. The food is made up of different components like carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. These components are needed by our body and they are known as nutrients. These nutrients give us energy, help us to grow and repair the damaged parts of our body and keep us free from diseases. The food we eat is having these nutrients, but these nutrients are not in the form that it can be taken by the body directly. They are utilized by the body when they are in the soluble form. The utilization of this nutrient by the body we will learn afterwards. First we will learn about the mode of intake of food. The mode of taking food is different in different organisms. Now we will see the different ways by which different organisms take food in their mouth. Here if you see, bees, hummingbird suck the nectar. Infants of humans and other mammals, they feed on mother's milk. Snakes like python swallow the animal they prey upon. Here mammals are the organisms or the animals that feed their baby with the milk. Like buffaloes, cows, cat, dog and humans, they are feeding their baby with the milk and they are known as mammals. Mosquitoes suck blood, butterflies suck nectar, leech, headlice, they are also sucking blood like mosquitoes, and aquatic animals filter tiny particles which are floating in the water. Now we will study certain terms related to feeding. First is sucking. Sucking is the mode of nutrition in which the insect spears the food item and then draw the internal fluid of the food into their mouth. For example, mosquitoes. Second is sponging. Sponging is the mode of nutrition in which the insect secretes saliva over the food and dissolved food is then drawn up to their mouth in the solution form. For example, houseflies. Third is siphoning. In this mode of nutrition, animals suck food through bent tubes. For example, butterflies. They are having coil-like mouth parts called proboscis. These proboscis, they unwind in straight tube when they feed. Fourth is swallowing. In this mode of nutrition, animals engulf the food and pass down it through throat, for example, python. Fifth is scraping. In this mode of nutrition, animals obtain their food by pulling hard on the surface to which the food is attached, for example, snail. Sixth is capturing. In this mode of nutrition, the animals take something that is their food into possession by force, for example, eagle. Seventh is filtering. In this mode of nutrition, the aquatic animals are having the ability to filter out the food which is present in water. For example, flamingos. 8 is chewing. In this mode of nutrition, the animals are chewing the food more than once to extract nutrients from it. For example, ruminants like cow buffaloes. To get nutrition from food, 5 processes are involved. These processes are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Today we learned about ingestion. Ingestion means the process of taking food into the body. I repeat that ingestion is the process of taking food into the body. Whatever we have learned today, that is all about ingestion, the first process of nutrition. We have learned today about the various modes of feeding in different organisms like sucking, siphoning, sponging, etc. We will learn about other modes of nutrition in the upcoming session. Now it's time to recapitulate whatever we have learned today. Today we have learned about the types of animals based on what type of food they eat. We learn about herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores are the animals which eat plants. Carnivores are the animals which eat other animals. And omnivores are the animals which eat both plants and animals. Then we learned that animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food and utilization of food by the body. Under this nutrient requirement topic, we learned that food is made up of certain components like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, and these components are known as nutrients. These nutrients are needed for the body, for the growth of the body, for the wear and tear of the damaged parts of the body and for getting the protection against diseases. Then we learned about the intake of food. Under this topic, we learned that there are different modes of intake of food in different organisms. We have learned about modes of feeding in different organisms like sucking, sponging, siphoning, scraping, capturing, filtering and chewing. Then we learned about the 5 different processes involved in nutrition. These are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Today we learned about ingestion, that is the process of taking food into the body. Now it's time for today's homework. The homework is refer extra marks app for today's topic and complete the table given in the next image by writing the various modes of feeding. Now today's question is, how does starfish obtain its food? I repeat the question, how does starfish obtain its food? I hope you will complete your homework and you will find out the answer of the given question, and we will meet once again tomorrow. Till then, be safe, be at home, keep learning.